In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bezier Curve Tool in Krita. To use the Bezier Curve Tool in Krita, first select the Bezier Curve Tool from the toolbar. Once selected, choose your brush settings and adjust any options you need before drawing. To create a curve, click on the canvas to place your starting point, then click again to create additional points. Drag the control handles to adjust the direction and smoothness of the curve. Continue adding points and adjusting the handles until you create the desired shape. When finished, confirm the final point to complete the curve. You can use the Bezier Curve Tool when creating smooth lines, curved shapes, outlines, designs, and artwork that requires precise curves. The Bezier Curve Tool in Krita helps create clean and controlled curves without manually drawing each stroke. It is useful for illustrations, logos, vector designs, technical drawings, and detailed artwork. You can adjust your brush settings anytime to change the appearance, thickness, or style of the curves you create. And that's how to use Bezier Curve Tool in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.